Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these pretty little flowers. They're very easy to make. All we're going to be using is single crochets for our centers and chain stitches and slip stitches for our petals. So to start with, we're going to make a magic ring. This is how I make mine. I hold the yarn between my fingers. I grab it and twist it up to make a loop. I pinch that loop here and I insert my hook from the front, grab the yarn, pull through the loop, and I'm going to secure it with chain one. So we're going to yarn over, pull through that little loop there. That's our magic ring. So we want 12 single crochets into the ring. To single crochet, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn, pull through. Now yarn over, turn your hook down and pull through 2 of the loops on your hook. That's our single crochet. Let's do another one. Insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn, pull through. Grab your yarn, turn your hook down, pull through both loops on your hook. So that's 2. So we want 12 in total, so 10 more. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So to bring the stitches together, we're going to tighten the ring here. So grab your tail end and start pulling. There we are, and this brings our stitches together. So to complete and close round 1, we're going to do a slip stitch. So into your first single crochet, insert your hook under both of these loops. So you have both loops on your hook. And now we're going to change color. So grab your other color, make a loop, leave yourself a bit of a tail, make a loop, and hook that loop on your hook. Now what we want to do is pull that grey yarn through both loops here and then straight through the last loop on our hook. Give everything a bit of a pull. Now we're finished with the center color yarn, so leave a little tail for sewing in, snip it off. And we're just going to carry on with our grey yarn for our petals. So we've got 12 single crochets and we're going to make a petal into each one of them. So we're wanting 12 petals. Now the petals, these smaller ones are made 10 chains and these larger ones here are made 13 chains. So make as many chains as you want your flower to be. I'm going to stick with 10. So we're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now, so we've got our chain 10, and now we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch. So don't slip stitch into the base of the chain 10. Find your next stitch, go under both loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops and then pull through the loop on your hook. So that's our first petal. Let's go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, I'm going to locate my next stitch, which is this one. Go under the 2 loops here. Grab your yarn, pull through the 2 loops, and then pull through the loop on your hook. Second petal, let's do one more together. Chain 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And again, find your next stitch, go under both loops of that stitch, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, and yarn and just pull straight through your loop on your hook. So these are our 3 petals so far. So I'm going to carry on. You want a petal in each of these single crochets, and I'll see you when I'm at the end. So I have one more petal left to make, so let's do that together. So crochet 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and last slip stitch into the next stitch, and there we are. There's our flower. So we're gonna leave a little bit of a tail for sewing again, and all we're gonna do is just pull through that last slip stitch. Now you want to find your magic ringtail and give it a little pull. To close it up. And give it a bit of a squash, and here we go. So all we want to do is turn your flower over and sew in your ends. And there we are. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.